There's a fact that when you are going to be the one what you want to be, you have to become a new person for who you would like to be in life. And when this happens, you've got to make sure that you are following how you can be the fullest person of yourself to adapt to how you want to live. I would say when you turn like 16, you got to plan where you want to be. What you want to be when you're older. What lifestyle do you want? Do you want a normal lifestyle? Do you want to have like money? Do you want to own businesses? Do you want to just work a 9 to 5? This is the decisions you got to make. And no one told me this. And I wish I knew this when I was younger. That even if you decide what you want to do, you got to learn skills, and you got to be yourself for who you are to becoming more. I always wished that knowing that I can achieve whatever I want, I still do. I still know that I can achieve it. But back then, I thought, yeah, this is just what everybody else does. How? Why does everybody do this? I can't do it. And I said to myself, I can't live this bullshit life. This lifestyle is not for me. I got to get off my bum and start making progress. Start making progress of something I enjoy. Starting the thing that I enjoy to then grow. To grow for me, to grow for the people around me, to be more uplifted by me. I gotta start becoming a man and just cut out all the bad habits. And all them bad habits are just there to hold the man back. Or woman. It's there to make you distracted. I was like, what's the point of watching TV when I can be my own TV? I can stream. I can do YouTube. I can just do something what's going to make me a better person for me. What's going to bring me joy into this life. Tell the world about what I've been through. Tell the world that you can be whoever you want to be. You've got to believe that you can do it, and it is possible. No matter what the case is, the vision you have is the lifestyle you wish to have. And it's all about finding the right person, finding someone who can teach you the ways. You might have to learn from other people. You might have to learn from 5 to 7 different people, the skills. But if you learn from 5, you're more wiser than learning from one person. Because one person will only learn you so far. They might teach really bad. And so I went on YouTube. I typed in, how do I start marketing? How can I market my business in new ways and do sales? So I was just researching on YouTube how to do marketing. This person came up called Alex, and he does marketing. He's got a marketing agency. And I was like, wow, he's got muscles, he's got his own gym, he's got money, he's got his own books, he's got loads of stuff, all to do with marketing. And I'm like, that's one skill he learned. That's like 3 different skills that he learned to then put online and sold a book of marketing and did 100 million from that book. And I'm like, How does someone do that much marketing that they get 100 million when people struggle? People struggle to even get 1 million. And I'm like, there's got to be a new way, a new system. What he knows that I don't. And the way is that the skills you learn today will be required for tomorrow. Meaning, if you focus on one skill for 6 months and build that skill really, really well, you will become better at it than doing it for two weeks. But you made more mistakes in that 6 months. Of learning from your mistakes is actually how you achieve. Taking action is how you achieve. I always thought that if you want to be more than what anyone else is, you have got to work harder. No, you got to learn the skills to work smarter. Then the smartness of the skills and the systems, build structure in your company, build structure in your foundation to then scale, to then go to new heights. I was told to work hard, and you will get what you want. But people might work 4 hours a day, and they achieve a lot more than me. How is that? Because they have built the systems. What took them months. To learn. Or took them months to set up. And them systems pay them each month for who they are. And how are they marketing it differently to anyone else? They're using creatives to get more creative. And I was on typing on YouTube, and I was like, oh, well, he's got a marketing agency, so he's learned marketing. But how can you learn marketing if you have never ever learned marketing before? And I thought to myself, to learn marketing, you need to be around people who know marketing. So you just need to hire someone to do marketing for you and ask them if they can show you each and every possible way possible, step by step, on how they did it and why they did that thing on your marketing. And that's how you build a stronger system. Because you're asking them, how did they do it? And you're asking, why did they choose that strategy over another one? Why did they choose that format over another one? There's a reason for everything. It's the why and why they did it. Why is that implemented into my business? That's what you got to think of yourself. You got to think, how is this skill going to make me and my systems for my business stronger? Because in a gym, you have to get stronger. And I think the same requires in a business. You gotta be one of those people who literally say to themselves, it's gonna work out, it's gonna be okay. And you gotta build up the reps. And the reps is what takes you to new heights. And when you do more reps of each thing, you're building more muscle, getting the protein in. But it's the system, what you build as a body, what makes you stronger. So any strong person would say, yeah, do more reps, but you need to eat protein. And that's the system. The system is you eating. The system is you